want the entire Aravalli range declared a protected area. We're also joined by Dr. Sarika, who's an activist in this region. And Dr. Sarika, your concerns, and there's a lot of distrust, and all of you have fought hard to protect areas like this. This is the Aravalli Biodiversity Park that we're coming from.
So see, this is very simple. The new ruling that they have said, the definition of Aravallis is 100 meters. Most of the Aravallis, so out of all the 1,17,000 hills, only 1,048 are 100 meters. That means more than 92% of them are going to be open for mining, for illegal construction, and they do not even need an approval from now on. So this is going to be a death knell for everybody. I don't know how much money these people need to make to sell the future generations oxygen, because already Haryana has the least forest cover in the country, 3.6%, according to official estimates. Unofficial may be different. They have been after the Aravallis from the time they've come into government. You will remember they made the PLPA amendment in which they were going to open up 68,000 acres of land, and which all of us protested, and the Supreme Court took a suo motu cognizance and said, no, we're going to put a stay on this. And then they went after this Aravalli Biodiversity Park. They wanted to create a road through and through. We have fought the government many times, and they have had to listen and bend down to public pressure, but now they have come down with another thing, because obviously they are hand in glove with the people who are trying to construct ranges in houses and hotels inside the Aravallis, but they do not realize our oxygen is going to be compromised. Already we are living in an AQI 700 plus. I have seen patients. Almost every second house needs a nebulizer in Gurgaon today. And now you're going to need oxygen masks, because you're not going to be able to live in the city if this happens.
So as you can see, massive concern. There have been protests from Delhi, Gurugram, all the way till Udaipur, because that is the entire range of the Aravallis. And I have to say, it comes to all governments. We can't just say